Hi students, good morning. How are you? Fine? Solution lesson notes completed. So now continuation of second topic electrochemistry. Yesterday I given some important information introduction. So conductors, electronic conductors, electrolytic conductors. So difference also completed. And another one is single electrodes, metal electrodes and non-metal electrodes. And yesterday I given some non-metallic, so non-metals of electronic conductors. Some example given: graphite, petroleum coke also, petroleum coke, gas carbon, organic polymers of polyaniline, polypyrrole, polyacetylene, etc. So these are all non-metallic, so non-metals of electronic conductors. So single electrodes. Single electrode means the metal rod dipped into the aqueous solution of its salt. Aqueous solution of salt. Aqueous solution of salt. It is considered as it functions as a single electrode. Simply, galvanic cell consists of two half cells, which is known as single electrodes. So generally, single electrodes are two types: metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Yesterday started single electrodes, metal ion electrode. So metal ion electrode. So single electrode, first one is single electrode. Here metal ion electrode, metal ion electrode, metal ion. Single electrode, metal ion, single electrode, or metal ion electrode, single electrode. So metal ion electrode or metal ion single electrode. In this case, a metal rod is dipped into the metal rod is dipped into the solution of its salt. The concentration is C, corresponding of concentration C molar. So in this case, I am giving structure. A metal stall and a metal ion. It is a metal ion single electrode. A metal rod is dipped into the solution of its salt. Solution of its salt. Okay. For the corresponding concentration C and M. So these are metal ion electrode. So metal ion electrode. So in given in metal ion, in metal ion single electrode, in metal ion electrode or single electrode, generally the representation of half cell when function as anode. So first write down the diagram. First write down the diagram. So here metal, here metal ion. So write down first here metal and metal ion. In this case, next metal ion off cell. After that, generally in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell in a metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell when function as anode, it can be represented as anode means losing of electron, cathode means gaining of electron, anode reactions are oxidation, cathode reactions are reduction, So in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell, in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell when functions as anode, it can be represented as here metal M solid state or M of N plus, that means Cm. Here C means concentration, M means molarity. Cm, that means a concentration and a molarity. So that is a oxidation. And another one is dianodic off cell. Dianodic off cell reaction. The representation of off cell when function as anode, losing of electrons. Losing of electron is anode. Dianodic off cell reaction. Dianodic off cell reaction is M S gives rise to M of N plus in aqueous solution plus N of electrons. So that is a dianodic off cell reaction. So anodic means losing of electron. Anode means losing of electron. So write down that in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell, in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell, off means 50%. When functions as anode, so in metal ion off cell, the off cell function as a anode when losing of electron. So total function, the anodic off cell reaction is represented by, so this equation. So write down metal ion off cell. Okay, next one. Next one, the representation of off cell. Next, the representation of off cell when function as cathode. Cathode means gaining of electron. When function of so cathode, it can be represented as cathode means gaining of electron, anode means losing of electron. So in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell when functions as cathode before anode. Here M of N plus, here concentration M or M S. It is a cathode, here Cm, concentration molarity. So The cathodic off-cell reaction, the cathodic off-cell reaction is M of N plus in aqueous plus N of electron gives rise to M solid. Okay, in aqueous. Before also once, right, I given M of solid, M of N plus N of electron. Please here keep aqueous solution, within bracket keep aqueous solution, like that. Before anodic, these are cathodic. Compulsory M of N plus gaining of N electron gives rise to M solid state metal. Here M means metal, so aqueous. These are metal ion off cell. Metal ion means metal is dipped into the metallic solution, that is a aqueous solution of its salt. Suppose copper rod dipped into the copper sulfate solution, zinc rod is dipped into the zinc sulfate solution, like that. This type of examples, metal ion off cell. Anyway, anode means losing of electron, cathode means gaining of electron. So that in metal ion off cell, the representation of off cell when functions as cathode, it can be represented as, cathode means gaining of electron, M of N plus Cm. C and M means concentration, molarity. Here concentration, molarity. Okay, very important. But after that, reduction means gaining of electron, that only solid state of metal. Generally metals are existing solid state. The cathodic off reaction, the cathodic off cell reaction. The cathodic off cell reaction is M of N plus aqueous solution plus N electron gives rise to M of solid. So these are metal ion off cell. Metal ion off cell. Next one is metal ion off cell. Next, this type of off cell can be used in. So examples of this type of, other examples of, so such this type of off cells, examples are, first one is Cu2 plus Cu, example 1, and Zn2 plus Zn, and Ag plus and Ag plus and Ag, and Sn2 plus and Sn. So these are all single electrodes. So these are metal ion off cell. Such this type of off cells examples are Cu2 plus Cu, Zn2 plus Zn, Ag plus Ag, Sn2 plus Sn. So these are examples of metal ion off cell. This type of off cells are used in. So this type of off cell. So these are used in. So this type of off cells used in. Off cells are used in Daniell cell. Daniell cell. Daniell cell, next I will explain. Daniell cell. This type of off cells are examples Cu2 plus Cu, Zn2 plus Zn, Ag plus Ag, Sn2 plus Sn. This type of off cells are used in Daniell cell. Daniell cell construction next class I will explain. Okay. But very active metals cannot be used in this case because these react with water. But very reactive metals in this type of cells, very reactive metals cannot be used because they react with water. In aqueous means compulsory water. In this case, in this type of metals can be used, but very reactive metals cannot be used in these cases because they react with water. Okay, so these are metal ion So metal, metal ion, half cell. Metal, metal ion, half cell. So these are simply metal electrode. So these are metal electrode. So metal electrode. So next one is gas ion half cell. Gas ion half cell. Next case one is gas ion half cell. Here gas ion half cell means compulsory using non-metals. Non-metals means these are example of here next one. Gas ion half cell. Gas ion half cell before we want generally. Types of single electrodes. Then write non-metal electrodes. Non-metal electrodes. Non-metal electrodes. So first one is hydrogen electrode. Hydrogen electrode means hydrogen gas electrode or hydrogen electrode or hydrogen gas electrode. Chlorine gas electrode. Oxygen gas electrode. And bromine gas electrode. Okay, write down hydrogen gas electrode, and another one is simply hydrogen electrode. Simply hydrogen electrode. Simply hydrogen gas electrode or hydrogen electrode. Simply gas no need. So hydrogen electrode, chlorine electrode, oxygen electrode, and bromine electrode. Here hydrogen electrode generally H plus aqueous solution of into hydrogen gas platinum, and chlorine electrode platinum chlorine gas into Cl minus aqueous solution, and oxygen electrode platinum oxygen gas, so OH minus aqueous solution, and bromine electrode, so bromine electrode means platinum bromine gas and OH minus aqueous solution. So these are types of single electrodes, non-metal electrodes. So in the syllabus non-metal electrodes, don't confuse it. Remembering very easy, just so 1 or 2 times practice them. Hydrogen electrode H plus ion, these are reverse. H plus ion aqueous, H2 gas platinum, and a chlorine electrode, so platinum dipped into the chlorine gas with chlorine solution, chloride solution, and then is oxygen electrode. So oxygen electrode platinum oxygen gas OH minus aqueous solution. It is obtained by aqueous solution of OH minus ions. It is obtained by OH minus. It is also OH minus aqueous solution. So these are Br minus. Here Br minus aqueous solution. Br minus aqueous solution. Sorry. It is a types of single electrodes. Types of single electrodes, non-metal electrodes. Hydrogen electrode, chlorine electrode, oxygen electrode. Last one is bromine electrode. So these are types of single electrodes, especially non-metal electrodes. Now in the syllabus, gas ion half cell. gas ion half shell. Now I am explaining gas ion half shell. So write down the first gas ion half shell. Gas ion half shell. In gas half shell generally a gas is bubbled into a solution of gas ion with platinum rod containing sheet covered with platinum black being dipped into the gas ion solution. So write down. So in a given half cell, a gas is bubbled into a solution of gas ion with platinum rod having coated with platinum black being into the gas ion solution. Gas ions. In a given half cell, a gas is bubbled into a solution of gas ion with platinum rod having coated with platinum black being in gas ion solution. It is a gas ion half cell. Gas ion half cell. Simply when platinum rod is dipped into a gas ion solution. Suppose hydrogen gas is there, so H plus solution. Oxygen gas is there, OH minus solution. Chlorine gas is there, chloride ion solution. So it is a gas in half cell. Generally, platinum black over the coating of platinum because it gives the more surface area for the absorption of gases. Platinum black over the coating of the platinum because it gives the more surface area for the absorption of gases. Simply, so these are gas ion half cell. So write down this point. Here, now I am giving structure. Gas ion half cell. Here platinum black covered with platinum sheet. Platinum black covered with platinum sheet. A solution. Okay, write down the structure first. Gas ion half shell. Next one is here platinum wire. Gas pressure atmosphere. Pressure atmosphere. Next, in gas ion half shell, the representation of half shell when functions as anode, it can be represented as we know anode is losing of electron. So in gas ion half shell, the representation of half shell when functions as anode, it can be represented as simply platinum gas, here P pressure atmosphere, platinum gas, atmosphere or gas ion here. So gas converted into gas ion means it is a losing of electron, that is a oxidation, that is a anode. Anyway, the representation of half shell means gas ion half shell. When functions as anode, it can be represented as platinum gas, platinum like that. Here gas, P means pressure in atmosphere. So platinum and these are dip type. Okay, gas, these are symbolic representation. Okay, gas ion. Okay, Cm. C means concentration, M means molarity. So let us consider as next year. Let us consider hydrogen gas. In hydrogen gas, when function as anode. When function has anode. Now I am taking hydrogen gas. Already given hydrogen electrode, chlorine electrode, oxygen electrode, bromine electrode. These all 4 examples I am applying this concept. Let us consider hydrogen gas when function as anode. Here platinum, very easy. Gas, hydrogen, pressure atmosphere or H plus ions. Here Cm means concentration, molarity. Cm means concentration in molarity. So let us consider as hydrogen gas. Let us consider hydrogen gas. Let us consider as hydrogen gas. Let us consider as hydrogen gas. I am taking hydrogen gas when function as anode. When function as anode. After that, this concept I am applying hydrogen. Don't forget, these are very easy. Next, the ionic half cell reaction represents the ionic half cell reaction. The ionic half cell reaction represents, anode means losing of electron. Anode means losing of electron. That means hydrogen gas. Here hydrogen gas gives rise to H plus, a aqueous solution, 2 electrons with platinum. Hydrogen gas 2H plus. Losing of electron means oxidation. So write down that equation. Hydrogen gas means compulsory platinum also. So these are the ionic half cell reaction. Ionic means losing of electron. After that, these are reverse cathodic half cell reaction. Ionic half cell reaction, cathodic. Cathode means gaining of electron. In this case, okay, completed. Next, the representation of half cell reaction. The representation of half cell when function as So the ionic cell reaction represents the H2 to H plus 2 electrons. Okay. Next another one is, now I am taking second one is, next example 2. In a chlorine half cell. In a chlorine half cell, chlorine gas. Here, like that, in a chlorine half cell. Hydrogen half cell next to another hydrogen half cell next to chlorine half cell. In this case, platinum, chlorine gas, pressure atmosphere, that means 2Cl minus, concentration M. That is which type of these are? In a chlorine half cell, when functions as anode. In a chlorine half cell, when functions as anode, the representation of cell reaction. In a chlorine half cell, generally when function as anode, platinum, chlorine, so pressure, here pressure, atmosphere, 2Cl minus Cm. Cm means concentration and molarity. Like that, the chlorine half cell means chlorine gas. Chlorine gas ion. Hydrogen. Generally gas ion off cell like that. Chlorine gas. The ionic off cell reaction. The ionic off cell reaction represents like that same model. Like that same model. Here generally chlorine gas usage too. Here also you keep platinum. Two Cl minus aqueous plus 2 electrons. Some books they mentioned platinum your wish. Okay, generally no need. Otherwise you keep. So these are chlorine electrode. So write down. So the ionic off cell reaction represent chlorine 2Cl minus 2 electrons. 2Cl minus 2 electrons. Write down. The ionic off cell reaction represent, wait, losing of electron means, sorry, losing of electron means like that. So these are correct. Sorry, 2 chloride ions. Sorry, write down, 2 Cl minus. Losing of electron is Cl2 gives Cl2 plus 2 electrons. So write down the ionic off cell reaction in chlorine off cell or chlorine gas. Chlorine off cell or chlorine gas off cell, better. Confuse, no need of confuse. Don't confuse it, please. Just to practice. These are losing of electron. 2 Cl minus Cl2. Electron losing means these are oxidation. Next, last one is oxygen. In oxygen gas off cell, the representation of off cell when functions as anode, it can be represented as for IP point of view no need, for objective point of view required. IP point of this concept no need. So the representation of, I am explaining in oxygen gas off cell, the representation of off cell when so represented as simply the anode, it can be represented as anode means losing of electron. I am taking platinum, oxygen gas within bracket to pressure atmosphere or OH minus 2 OH minus concentration M, Cm concentration. 2 OH minus or OH minus also. So the ionic off cell reaction The ionic half shell reaction is, ionic means losing of electron. That means 2OH minus gives rise to 2OH minus gives rise to half O2 plus H2O plus 2 electron. That is answer. The ionic half shell reaction is 2OH minus gives rise to half O2 plus H2O plus 2 electrons. So now I am explaining hydrogen electrode, chlorine electrode, and another one is oxygen gas electrode. Anyway, these are all anodic functions. Anode means losing of electron. So these are single electrode and types of single electrode. So for objective point of view required, no need of IP point of view. Don't confuse it. Okay? Remembering? Dear students, following. In oxygen gas half shell, the representation of half shell when functions as anode, anode means losing of electron. It can be represented as. Next another one is, let us consider hydrogen electrode. Let us consider hydrogen electrode. So the half shell, the representation of half shell when function as anode. So especially hydrogen electrode very important. So hydrogen electrode half shell function as a anode and half shell function as a cathode. Both are anode function and another one is cathode function. So next another one is okay, up to here enough, my dear students. Dear students, up to here enough. Remaining next class I will explain, because this time today so much information I given. Anyway, single electrodes. Single electrodes are two types: metal electrode and non-metal electrode. Metal electrode, best example, metal electrode. Which type of metal electrode? Metal ion half shell. Example already given. Simply Cu2 plus Cu, Zn2 plus Zn, silver plus ion to silver, like that. These type of single electrodes are used in Daniell cell. Daniell cell, next I will explain. Daniell cell. Okay. And another one is non-metal electrodes, so single electrodes. These are so hydrogen electrode, chlorine electrode, oxygen electrode, bromine electrode. So these are, in these electrodes, the half shell can functions as a anode. Half shell functions as a anode. So these are different types of metal electrode and non-metal electrodes. Okay. So dear students, maybe 1 or 2 days some concepts confuse. Remaining concepts very easy, because what I am explained today, that concept objective point of view very important, but not IP. Objective point of view very important. Don't forget. Okay. We want first to objective concept, not IP. After that IP. Okay. Today concept for objective purpose very important. Objective purpose required, not IP. Okay. So dear students, today enough. Remaining class tomorrow I will explain continuously. Okay. Thank you for all.